Right, I'm back. Like I say, thank you so much, Jen. That was a nice surprise. I didn't expect them. And, oh, I forgot to put that one with them. Oh, don't lose that one. That's an unusual one. Love them all very much. Thank you. Getting right excited. I like it when I get something for my collections. So if anybody sees unusual thimbles, ornate teaspoons, please, please do let me know. Or, you know, give us a shout and I'll have a look. Because I'm not going to miss out on any. Right, so I'm sorry my camera is right by my mouth. Well, not my mouth, my face. But like I said, I'm going to be doing this tutorial just on how to use the scraps up to make something pretty like that. So I need 4 of these, which I'm going to cut out now. And even if you've one left, don't waste them, because you never know where they're going to come in handy. Trim them down. Cut that out. So we've got that. And you need to do 4. Very quick and easy projects are these, but they look so pretty on your projects. A lot of people don't really know what to do with oddments like this. But you don't waste them, you make something with them. So let's keep hold of that one because we're not going to lose it, or not use it, should I say. Let's get rid of all this mess. Right. So we've got that. Now what we've got to do with them, we've got to make them fan out like that. So what you do is you glue these 2 ends together first. Oh, come on, glue, don't start playing about. So you just put those 2 ends together, like that, and press them down. Mind you don't burn yourself. Now, mine are a little bit long, so I'm just going to cut them like that. Oh, get out, feathers. So I'm just going to do that again. Oh, I've left my glue gun on too long and it's not gluing right. Just do that. Oh, look, sticky fingers. Okay, I'm just going to glue down here again. That's the only thing with these, when you glue gun, if you've got it on too long, many of them start to clog and it's not nice. So I'm just going to do a little bit shorter with the bottom ones. They're the top ones. These are going to be the bottom ones. So just pin them together like that. Cut that down. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put them all together and what? Oh, I've got glue everywhere. I think what, oh, we'll use one of the, shall we use one of those? No, no, that could be a waste. No, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to use one of these, this spare one. I think. So, what we're going to do now is to pin this on. Oh, they're the bottom ones, aren't they? Yep. Like that. You could just do a disc, really. It doesn't matter. So we're just going to pin those on. Like that. They have to be so far apart. Take the top ones and we're going to pin those on as well. Like that, sit there neatly. And we do the same there. See how they fit together like that? You can trim this off after, it doesn't matter. Now, I've got these flowers. So I'm going to use this. Let me just take the top one out. That's it. Take that out. Don't waste that because that can come in handy somewhere else. And with these, because they are organza, it's embroidered organza, I'm just going to seal them all off. Like that. Okay, and we're going to do that. Sit that in the middle. Now I could have separated those and pulled them apart a little bit, but I'm not going to do that. It's fine. And then I've got these butterflies, which we can just do as a top, which I'm going to do. I like that one. Let me just seal this off. Like that. So I'm just going to put that butterfly on top. Like so. And if I wanted to do another layer, I have these. Because you can do as many layers as you want. So I hope you're looking. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to pull that one down. I like that. Now, right in the centre, I mean, I've done that on mine, and I've just cut petals to make a strip. But on this one, I've done it slightly different. That's too big. And I could do that, but I don't want them on if I do that. So all I do, because you've no need to mess about with it, just cut that off. I don't want green on my butterfly. You're not really going to see that when it's glued down. And then we just take that, pop that in the middle, and press that down flat. Now, like I say, we can soon sort this out, and you just cut them around like that. I basically just used it as a base. So that's that. Then what we do is we take some wire, and I've got a bit of silver wire here, about 3 inches long. All you do, in the middle like that, oops, push up, not quite the same, just cut off what you need to. Take your pliers. I'm going to do it around the biggest part. No, in the middle. We'll do it round in the middle. Just turn it round. Wrap it around the pliers, should I say. And there you go, you've got that. What I generally do then is I pinch it in the middle there. Just like that. So for this size, I use about 3 inch. Oops, piece of wire. So I'm going to pop that in there, just there, and then what we do is we take hold of this bit that's left from the flower, and then what I can do is to just pull this back like that, and a bit of glue here and there. Pop that on, and we can trim that off and pop that down. Now I'm going to put a little flower here, just because I can, not for any reason in particular. Just to add to that, and then hopefully I can find another small one. Just got a small one here. Bit of glue on that. And then we poke that in there. Now, I like that, but I could do something, just a little bit of bling. So I've got some crystals in here. And I'm just going to find one that I like. There, like that. Take that, pop that in the centre of that. And just do that. And there you go. Straight away that makes a little bit of difference. Now I've left these longer. But if I want to, which I can, and I think I'm going to do that anyway, just to what I call, I know people say, Fiona, tart things up. I don't care. What I'm going to do now is to find a bit that's I can use, and I'm going to use this flower again. Take that one petal out, that will do for something else, somewhere else. Let's get rid of this. And just to make it look a little bit more evenish, we can just go in there and do that. Just so it doesn't look so bold. So we can do that. You know, these don't look so stuck out, if you know what I mean. Like that. And then, if we, mind you, the other thing you can do is we could undo them. If you don't like it, because I know somebody going, oh, I don't like that. Well, don't have it. Just alter it yourself. Like that. So we've got it that way. See, like that. That probably looks better for the top ones. You can just play around until you're happy with what you've got and what you've done. Okay, so that's exactly what I do. And then we're going to take that out there. And there you go. I'm quite happy with that. Not a problem. It'll look good on any project I do. And so will that one. All right. Dead easy. And they look sweet. Thanks for watching. Take care. And I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.